Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change your font on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to change the font on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile, I'm just going to show. For an example, I'm just going to type here as font. Okay, so we change the font. Click on this icon option on the bottom section and just click on this. So here you can find recently used font, and also you can see all font. So you can just change the font easily by using this option. So you can see a lot of font styles actually here. You can just scroll down, you can see a lot of font styles like this, and everything is in on the alphabet order, so you can easily see how to change. So you can see the source like this, roboto, and style also show like this, and this empty extra style like that, and there is a lot of other more style like that. So this is how you just change your font style on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.